AMALearning, you're about to. Specification Point 2. Point 10b. Describe the structures and functions of the brain, including the cerebellum, cerebral hemispheres, and medulla oblongata. This is a biology-only specification point. To successfully answer any GCSE questions linked to this specification point, you will need to be able to label and describe the function of the cerebellum, cerebral hemispheres, and medulla oblongata. The brain is an organ that controls complex behavior. It is made up of billions of interconnected neurons and has different regions that carry out different functions. This is the cerebral hemisphere. It is the part of the brain that controls intelligence, personality, and conscious thought. It is responsible for decision making. This is the medulla oblongata. It is the part of the brain which controls unconscious activities such as breathing and heart rate. This is the cerebellum. It is the part of the brain that controls balance, coordination movement, and muscular activity. As you will see on the next slide, the questions linked to specification Point 2, Point 10 are usually 1 mark, questions that simply ask you to either label or describe the function. You may get an exam question similar to this one. The easiest way to answer questions linked to this topic is to memorize how to correctly label the cerebral hemisphere and medulla oblongata and the cerebellum alongside their functions. In this question, we have been asked show label structure X and describe its function. From our previous learning, it is clear that structure X is in fact the cerebellum. The cerebellum is the part of the brain that controls balance, coordination, movement, and muscular activity. Our animations were designed by experienced UK-trained teachers. We have been achieving amongst the best results in the country for many years, and we decided it was time to share our success. Have you just AMALed and want to AMAL some more? Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share to keep yourself up to date with the latest uploads. AMALearning, you just did.